Okay, we're approaching downtown Aledo here. They blocked off the streets for their car show. I remember seeing some of the earlier photographs and videos of this area. It was pretty empty. Not so today. Let's check some of this out. Okay, they've got some music playing down there. And I got yelled at last time for having music on YouTube. So I'm going to have to turn this off and switch over to photographs for a little while, and then I'll be back. Oh, just a couple more cars.
Hey, ballots are ready. Need to know your entry number when you come up here. Fill out your ballots, bring them back right where you got them, put them in the ballot box. Within minutes, we're going to start giving out door prizes here.
Okay, I'm going to have to turn this off so I don't get yelled at by YouTube.
Start out with our first door prize round winners. Alan Sedarn, that's car 35. Gary Graftman, car 163. Craig Handley, car 154. Denny Anderson with the Camaro 2010. And Sandy Bender, number 149. So you come up to the door prize table.
What's your number?
Take a roll, take a prize.
You just park her down there?
Oh, they're starting that music again. I'll have to cut off this video. Just a moment. All these cars. Awesome.
I still have the bid right here.
My gosh. Are you part of the activities?
I just won. I am the winner.
Oh, this is the winner.
Yes.
And what's your name?
Well, my real name is Hannah, but my pinup name is Lola Ray.
Lola Ray.
Yes.
So here we are meeting Lola Ray in Aledo, Illinois
That's right.
on August 23rd. Hi, Lola Ray.
Hi.
Okay, we'll see you later.
Hi.
All right, on door prizes still, Gary Graftman and Alan Sedarn.
Hi, I'm Rita Gross, and I'm in Aledo, Illinois for their car show. And I have a 1972 Olds Cutlass 442, and the paint color is Candy Berry Wine.
All right, ladies, we're still looking
There's
for
at least 10 coats on it, and it has some black in it.
number 185.
That gives it that extra sparkle.
Marge
It's lady driven.
number 48.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome.